general paraphernalia you're doing on every time you go out. That's it. Yeah, you have a sweet okay.
The Spirit of Dawn is an absolutely amazing vessel. She's really perfect for Shelly Beach, and many of their rescues are long endurance rescues looking for missing divers, and they have appalling sea conditions that they need to cope with, and Spirit of Dawn is really able to do that. She's just big enough to be a comfortable ride to help the crew's endurance. She's really a very beautiful boat, and I think she's going to be involved in saving many lives at Shelly Beach. Big thank you to the sponsors, it's very kind of you.
I am Peter Cossé, I'm Station 20's Acting Station Commander. We flew in from Durban this morning, got up at about 4 o'clock this morning, got the flight, early flight, arrived safely in Cape Town, and we are here to test the Spirit of Dawn, which was a donation from a bequest, and we appreciate that a lot. So that's what we are here for, to see if she maneuvers right, and to see if everything is in order before she's going to be packed up and transported to Station 20 in Shelly Beach.
Is this another boat, or are you replacing a boat?
Yeah, we've got a Endeavour. It's also a 7.3 meter ripcraft. She's the oldest 7.3 in the fleet in South Africa. She's 25 years and older. So we're replacing her with the new Spirit of Dawn, which is also a 7.3. A lot of different, lot of nicer trimmings, bigger motors, outboard motors, which will also help us pulling in craft that get stranded in Shelly Beach. And I think that the motors, the 150 horsepower to 150 horsepower, the outboards would do a lot for us for towing the boats that are quite heavy in Shelly Beach and get them to surf safe. Yes.
And when are you getting the boat fit?
Well, we're going to test it now today, and if we are happy, Eddie Noyens, our regional director, is also here with me. He's also from Shelly Beach. So if we're happy today, they're going to pack it up as soon as possible, and they will then be transporting it to Shelly Beach. I don't know how long that will take, but it could be the next week or two, I think. Yeah.
And what do the sea trials entail?
Now we're going to see how quick she's out of the blocks. We launch direct into the surf, so we need to know what the power capabilities are, how fast she is out of the blocks to get us through that situations, and how she acts in the water. So we're going to turn her around a bit and see how quick she can turn, because sometimes we have to run away for stuff, and that's what we're going to test all today.